Hi, little ones. Look, it's secondary colors.
Secondary colors are created by mixing two equal parts of primary colors. Do you remember what our primary colors are? Yes, they are red, yellow, and blue. Now, let's get to mixing. If we mix red and yellow together, we get orange. If we mix blue and red, we get purple. If we mix yellow and blue, we get green. Yay! Beautiful new colors. Now we have some leaves. You have some time to choose the color. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it? Yes, we mixed some yellow and blue together to make green. Green leaves. Repeat after me. Green leaves. Good job. Now we have a pumpkin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What did we mix together? We mixed red and yellow to make orange. It's an orange pumpkin. Say it after me. An orange pumpkin. Good job. Next, we have grapes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We mixed blue and red together to make purple. We have purple grapes. Say it. Purple grapes. Well done. Now we have a goldfish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We mixed yellow and red together to make orange. An orange goldfish. Say it. An orange goldfish. Now look at these lavender flowers. What colors are they? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's mix blue and red to make purple. Yes, they are purple lavender. Can you say it with me? Purple lavender. And next, we have limes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We mix yellow plus blue to make green. They are green limes. Say it with me. Green limes. Awesome. Now, we see plums. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What colors do we mix? We mix red and blue to make purple. Purple plums. Good job. And now we see trees. What colors do we mix? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We mix yellow and blue to make green. We have green trees. Say it with me. Green trees. And last, we have carrots. What colors do we mix? We bring together red and yellow to make orange. Beautiful color. So we have orange carrots. Say it. Orange carrots. That was great, everyone. So, little ones, we are done with our secondary colors lesson. And what did we learn? We learned that if we mix two primary colors together, we get a secondary color. For example, if we mix red and blue, what do we get? You're right, purple. If we mix yellow and blue, what do we get? You're right. Green. And if we mix red and yellow, what do we get? You're right. We get orange. So, well done again today. I will see you in our next lesson. Bye.